Hello everyone, welcome to McDraft and Strength. Today's session is on loci of point part 3. So here we are going to take a new and interesting type of question which is on rod oscillation problem. So we will learn how to trace the locus of a moving point using a simple geometrical construction. So if you haven't watched the earlier parts, that is part 1 and part 2, make sure you check out them first and then let's get started with this new problem. So the question may ask in exam like this. So here in question rod AB is given. So this rod AB this is rod AB. It is 80 mm long which oscillate about B. So oscillate about B means B it is a fixed point and A it is moving. And there is one P point on the rod. So P point at the end of the rod. So here is the P point on the rod. So when the rod get oscillate in question, there is given the rod is swings first to the right from the vertical position. So this is right and through 60 degree. So it moves 60 degree to the right and return back to the vertical. So when it return back to the vertical, so that P point reaches to the B. Okay, and again this rod move to the left at 60 degree, and when it's returned back to the vertical, that P point return to the original position. So we have to draw the locus of a point P. How that point P is move or trace the curve when the rod get oscillate. So let's start our actual construction. First of all, draw AB 80 mm long which is vertical and draw an angle of 60 degree on each side of AB, means on left and right side, to represent the extreme position of AB. And next step is to draw an arc of radius 80 mm. Next, divide that angle of oscillation, that is total 60 means total 120 degree, in 6 equal parts. So we can obtain 12 position with these 6 equal parts, because that rod get oscillate first to the right and then return back to the vertical and again goes to the left and return back to the vertical. So we have to give the names according to positions. So A1, A2, A3, again return back to A4, A5, A6, then go to the left and again come back to the vertical. So A12 at the mid position. And the next position, divide that rod AB into 6 equal parts. Why 6 equal parts? Because that point P is moves uniformly on AB towards B and comes back to the initial position at A. So hence divide that AB into 6 equal parts and name that various position as 1, 2, 3 up to 12. And the next important step is to get the position P1. First of all, place metal point on B and take a distance from B to 1 and intersect BA1 line and mark that position as P1. Again next, take a distance from B to 2 and mark BA2 line and name that point as P2, and repeat the same procedure for remaining points. And the last step is to join P1, P2, P3, all the points in sequence to get the required locus of point. So this is all about how to construct the locus of point on an oscillating rod. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to watch my other videos. They will definitely help you to score marks in this subject. So thank you for watching.